Standard 3rd, Environmental Studies. Today we shall discuss about our sensory organs. We have 5 sensory organs. And what are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. And why we are saying these are sensory organs? These are sensory organs because an organ that tells us about our surrounding. With the help of these sensory organs, we come to know what is going on in our surrounding. Eyes. How eyes are helping us? It is with our eyes that we can see. With our eyes we can see, we can tell the color of the things we see, we can tell the shape, we can also guess the distance, check the distance of things from us. Ears. We hear with our ears. If someone is calling you, you comes to know with the help of your ears. Mainly we come to know what a person is saying to us. The ears also tells us whether the sound we hear is sweet or harsh. Means how the person is speaking to you, whether the sound was sweet or harsh, we come to know with the help of our ears. Sound of a bird or an animal also. Means they also tells us which direction a sound is coming from. See, the dog is at the back. So it comes to know with the help of our ears. Check this. Mother is saying, don't eat this mango. Now why mother is saying? And how mother comes to know that the child should not eat this mango? See, mother is taking the smell of that mango and we comes to know the smell with the help of our nose. We perceive the smell of a fragrant flower or incense stick, agarbatti, because of the nose. Again it is the nose which tells us that there is a foul smell in the air or that the food is spoiled. At such times we can take proper precautions. So nose is again a very important sensory organ. Tongue. We can taste with our tongue. We can taste with our tongue. This is tongue. Look at this tongue. Sugar and jaggery are sweet. Bitter gourd is bitter. कड़वा एकदम कड़वा होता है. Lemons and raw mangoes are sour, खट्टा. Salt is salty. It is due to the tongue that we know this taste. If we eat a chili, see, a boy is eating a chili, lal mirchi. Our tongue gets a burning sensation. Look at this face. Our tongue gets a burning sensation. We say that the chili is hot. Tikhi. Hot. Skin. We come to know if something we touch is hot or cold. Look at this uncle. By touching the water, The uncle will come to know whether the water is hot or cold. In the same way, other things also you can touch and find out whether it is rough or smooth because of our skin. Look here, children are playing games and they can find out from the sensation what the skin is getting, sensation rough or smooth, hot or cold because of the skin. Activity: play a game, feel it to find out. Thank you.